Assalamu alaikum respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today's video number on our YouTube channel is 370. 369 same types videos are present on our YouTube channel. Now today our lecture is related to general surgery, and today our chapter is burn. We will cover the burn whole chapter in 4 to 5 video series, but today is the first video, part 1. And today topic outline include number 1, definition of burn, and number 2, we will discuss about types of burn. Today we have 2 topic outline, definition and types. In second video we will discuss about classification of burn. Now first we start from definition. Now there are 2 methods to define the burn. First method is burn is defined as a wound caused by exogenous agent leading to coagulative necrosis of the tissue. Now there are 3 things in this definition. Number 1, burn is a wound. Number 2, caused by exogenous agent, meaning outside agent. Third, it is a coagulative necrosis of the tissue. Now if in MCQs the question come, burn is example of coagulative necrosis or caseous necrosis, our answer will be burn is an example of coagulative necrosis. This is the first method to define burn. Now come to the second way to define burn. The second way is that damage or injury to the skin or other tissues due to heat, cold, electricity, friction, chemical or radiation is called burn. Now after definition come to the types of burns. There are 4 types of burns. Then in first 3 there is again subtypes of burn. In every one 2 subtypes. Now the first is the thermal burn. First type of burn is the thermal burn if our body come in contact with a hot object. Now thermal burn may be dry thermal or wet thermal. Thermal burn then divided into subtypes, dry thermal and wet thermal. First is a dry thermal. What is the example of dry thermal? For example, flame. If body come in contact with a flame or any hot object, this is known as dry thermal. Second is the wet thermal. Now, what is the example of wet thermal? For example, warm water. If warm water suddenly drop on our body, it also causes the wet thermal burn. Now come to the chemical burn. Now when our body come in contact with a chemical, again chemical burn divided into 2, acid and alkali. First is the acid. When body come in contact with a acidic solution, there will be acid burn. Second is the alkali. When body come in contact with the alkaline solution, in result there will be alkali burn. Now come to the third types, electrical burn. Now what is electrical burn? Electrical burn results from the conversion of electrical energy into heat. Extent of injury depend upon the types of current, the pathway of flow, local tissue resistance and duration of contact. Now again electrical burn are divided into high tension and low tension on the basis of type of current. High tension and low tension, these are the subtypes. Now what is high tension? Also known as high voltage electrical burn. Now if voltage of current is greater than 1000, this will be known as high tension or high voltage. Second is a low tension or low voltage. If the voltage of current is less than 1000, this is known as low tension or low voltage electrical burn. Now come to the last types, radiation. Now radiation also causes burn. Now how radiation can cause burn? Result from radiation energy being transferred to the body, resulting in production of cellular toxin. Now radiation causes production of cellular toxin. In result there will be burn. Now today our burn chapter first part is end. We discussed definition and types. In second video we will discuss about classification of burn. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups for you people. If you are MBBS student, we have channel by name first to final year MBBS lecture on Telegram, where we can share notes, books, videos, past papers. And if you are BDS student, we have channel by name first to final year BDS lecture on Telegram. Now we have also WhatsApp group for BDS student, for first year BDS student, first BDS group for boys separately and first BDS group for girls separately. There everyone can share notes, books, past paper, videos. And per second year BDS we have only group for boys, and for third year BDS we also have only group for boys. In future we will also create for girls. Now all these channel links and our WhatsApp group links are present in description of this video. You can directly join by clicking the link. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.